Alright guys, this morning we're getting ready to head to a Caffeine and Chrome in Atlanta, Georgia. Just moved out here. It's one of the first car meets that I've been able to go to, so that's where we're about to head. So stay tuned. We're about to get the car warmed up and then we're going to roll out. Alright guys. All right, guys, I just pulled up. There's quite a few cars here. Some are pulling in now. We're about to head in, and we're going to get some footage of the inside and kind of show you this place. This is being held at Gateway, so...
Yeah. Get out my way. I need space to get the fake car. Get out my way. I need space, I'm about to take off. Get out my way. Yeah, the frequency been way up, way up. Get out my way. It's too easy, it's a layup. Give me my space, I'm in my pride. I was a prisoner, all of the mine. Now I'm a traveler leading the line. They wanna cut me, I'm bleeding divine. Home of the greed, land of the slaves. No, we ain't free, still we do great. No, we ain't free, still we do great. Yeah. Still we do great. I gotta say it and say it and say it again. Me and the devil ain't making amends. I've been a rebel since Lego and friends. I gotta make it and make it and spin. I set the trend, king of the fall. Home of the winter, by spring I'll be gone. I don't be putting it all on the ground, so they never know what the hell I be on. Get out my way. I need space to get the fake car. Get out my way. I need space, I'm about to take off. Get out my way. Yeah, the frequency been way up, way up. Get out my way. It's too easy, it's a layup, layup. Look, I was just a little bitty boy with hopes and dreams. Then those hopes they manifested to nobody dope as me. Hoop dreams, rap wars, it's pop culture, that's gorgeous. Skywalker, that force is quite strong that I'm born with. Fuck a goofy cornball clout chaser claiming rap. You the reason why I left. I got bored, I'll take it back. Y'all asleep, you taking naps while I'm busy taking names. Ho, lyrical assassin, cock it back, I'm taking aim. Get out my way. I need space to get the fake car. Get out my way. I need space, I'm about to take off. Get out my way. Yeah, the frequency been way up, way up. Get out my way. It's too easy, it's a layup, layup. Get out my way. Get out my way. Get out my way. Get out my way. Pick your spot, pick your poison, pick some cotton, pick my brain. Yeah, yeah. Pick your spot, pick your poison, pick some cotton, pick my brain. Yeah. Pick your spot, pick your poison, pick some cotton, pick my brain. Pick your spot, pick your poison, pick some cotton, pick my.
Okay guys, I'm back home. I hope you enjoyed the footage of the little meet. It wasn't a crazy turnout. The weather wasn't the nicest. It was kind of cold outside. I've got some bad news. On the way home from the meet, my rear end was making some clunking and popping noise. I'm not 100% sure what it could be. I mean, I know it's coming from the rear end, but I don't know if it's a pinion bearing or what it could be. So here in the next day or two, I'm gonna be getting up underneath the car, dropping the rear diff cover and seeing if I can see any damage to the pinion or the pinion gear or the pinion bearing or anything like that, or even check the drive shaft as well. So with that being said, look out for that video. Also have a couple other videos that I'm gonna be doing. That upper dash pad, I'm gonna get to that here this week too. So if you guys want, just stay tuned, and if you would, man, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, man. That's such a motivation when I get new subscribers. So if you guys are watching this video, hit the subscribe button, because I'm gonna be putting out a lot of content and you do not want to miss out. All right guys, well, appreciate it and hope you have a good day, and we'll see you later.